The true purpose behind these 13 everyday objects. There's a lot of things that seem mysterious to us on a daily basis, usually things we don't know what's the use for. In this video, we're gonna debunk all these crazy everyday objects and what it's used for. Welcome to New Age Life Hacks. We welcome you to another video that is full of fun, easy and amazing hacks made just for you. Before we get to the fun part, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification to not miss any amazing hack video. Let's get started. 13. Small pocket in your jeans. You may have noticed a tiny extra pocket on the side of your jeans. It's called the fifth pocket. While some of us usually insert coins there, what you don't know is that this small pocket was designed with a very specific item in mind, the pocket watch. It is one of the most important items that the people from centuries ago kept in their pockets. In the mid-1800s, denim jeans were the pants of choice for gold miners in California. The use of the fifth pocket was to protect their expensive pocket watches by placing and keeping it safely tucked into place. 12. Lines and patterns on the edge of some coins. Have you ever wondered why some of the coins have a rough side? Long ago, people were confused and weighed first the coins to know their true value. So, to avoid extra effort, coin minters started using the rigid pattern just only on the precious metals. Thus, a person could easily tell if a coin had been shaven and had more value than the other coins. 11. The loops in the frame of a grocery cart. The manufacturers of the grocery basic carts are more forward-thinking than we thought that even our checkers and baggers don't know it. There is a purpose behind those metal loops that frame the top fold-out section of our grocery carts. Why don't we try to hang our bags or with light items like a bag of bread or a pack of eggs? The use of this is to avoid them from getting smashed by your heavier goods. So the next time you go to the grocery, try it and show others how it should be done, and everybody can experience life easier. 10. An unnoticeable arrow on your gas pump indicator light. Have you ever experienced parking your car confidently at a gas station where you later realized you parked your car on the opposite side of where your gas tank is? Beginners can relate, and some of us happen to be the best of it. Technically, you'll be glad to know our cars have been showing us which side the tank is on for decades. If you pay closer attention to the gas indicator light just in your vehicle, you might notice that there is an arrow next to the pump. This arrow is indicating to you which side your fuel tank sits on, and other lights use the pump handle to show which side it's on. 9. Straw holder. Most of us don't know the use of the top opening metal on the can. This maneuver will surely prove to be a soda drinking game changer. I know romantic movies show it as a wedding ring. By simply cracking open your soda, flip it around the tab and you'll have a small and sturdy slot to stick your straw into. And here you go, a one steady helper to the soda drinker. It keeps the straw in place and also won't prevent you from snacking on your favorite chips. 8. Chinese takeout packs or boxes. If you don't like washing your dishes after you eat Chinese food, then brace yourself. The standard issue Chinese takeout box is more than just a box. All Chinese takeout boxes have dual purpose. When completely taken apart, the Chinese takeout box becomes a plate to host your meal. Yes, a plate. You don't have to dig out the contents from its bowl-like container. You just learned it now? I know. So the next time around you eat Chinese takeouts, remember this if you're too lazy for dishes. 7. Converse holes on their shoes. Converse shoes are very well known for their design and stability. But what you don't know are that those holes in the side of your Chuck Taylors aren't just for stylish flair. They're created for ventilation. Yes, they also add some details for your comfort. The canvas used to make the shoes when not washed can quickly grow rather pungent. Awesome, right? Not just all about style, but also comfortability. 6. Notebook margins. What we thought about the margin in our elementary notebooks were wrong, because originally, margins were not made to provide space for teachers' outraged notes. The truth is that books in the past often fell victim to mice and rats who like to keep on eating and messing up paper. So in order not to let the rodents eat parts of information along with the paper, a wise invention to help the people started to leave empty spaces at the edges where damage was most likely to occur. Quite amazing, right? 5. Holes in padlocks. Most of the house owners like to use padlocks to lock doors and gates outside. However, they quickly get out of order because of the rain. Few people know the purpose of the small hole in the bottom. Have you noticed a small hole in your padlocks? What we don't know about it is that it's actually made for pouring engine oil inside. After this simple procedure, the key will again turn in the lock without any difficulty. 4. How to cut the cutter. This may be the biggest revelation you'll ever know. It is easy to sharpen a utility cutter. You just take the end cap off and break the blunt blade off with it. Then, use the slider to bring the sharp blade to the front. And there you go, a sharp blade. Awesome, right? 3. A hole in the ruler. Rulers are very important in all industries in line with school supplies, office stuff, and in building industries. Ruler is one of the most important things for everyone, but what you don't know is the purpose of the small hole on the rulers. Makers of the ruler were thinking ahead with this invention. This allows its users to simply hang up the ruler on the wall when finished using. Yeah, I know. I am also shocked about that discovery. 2. The blue side on erasers. There is so much mysterious thing in every school supplies we own, and your eraser is not exempted. If you had attempted to use the blue side of any standard eraser, then you might have noticed its ability to completely tear any normal piece of paper. This shreds due to the rough texture. The uses of it are limited, therefore, this side is totally forgotten. 1. An extra eyelet of sneakers. Companies in the shoe industry have always surprised us with their well-invented designer shoes. So, to ensure that your shoes fit on your feet as you prepare for that heavy training for your upcoming competition, the makers of sneakers actually installed a secret eyelet at the top of the shoes. This is intended to create the heel lock method. I hope you find these 13 discoveries in your everyday object helpful in your everyday work and lifestyle. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up. What hacks would you like to know more about from this channel? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And we will see you in another amazing video.